You know, doing this with one hand it's really complicated, actually. All right. Get a start on the old Subaru here. Apparently I have the blinker on. All right. Hello, everybody. My name is that Volkswagen guy. Oh, feels so good to take the mask off. And in today's video, I am going to be giving you 5 tips if you want to become an automotive YouTuber. All right, so tip number 1, if you want to become an automotive YouTuber, is pretty obvious. You got to have a car. Well, not necessarily own a car. If you're able to do like car reviews and then using your buddy's car, that's a good way to start. But it also helps if you have your own car, because that way you can make your own type of content regardless of what make, model car is. Hell, there's a community for every single car out there, regardless if it's Volkswagen, BMW, Subaru, Honda, Toyota, Chevy, Ford, Dodge. Like, they all have their own little community. So literally just start making videos on what you like to do with your cars, whether it's detailing, how-to videos, modding videos, who knows, or even just doing drives, like midnight drives type deal. Yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, so for step number 2, you're gonna need a camera. Now, if you want to go full Street Speed 717 style and use a GoPro, that's on you. But why shell out money for a camera when you already have one in your pocket? That's right. Right now, most of my videos have been shot with my iPhone, and yeah, they're not that great of videos. It's because I'm not a really good content creator yet, but that's besides the point. But yeah, you got a camera that's able to do 1080p flawlessly, and I'm actually shooting in 60 FPS right now, which is actually unnecessary. But if you already have a camera, might as well start filming with your phone. That's what I started doing. Now look at me, sitting in my car, letting it warm up, talking how to make YouTube videos type deal. All right, so once those are pretty good, step number 3 is you're gonna need to edit those videos. Now, you can use a program like Sony Vegas, iMovie if you're on Mac. But let's say if you don't have a computer or a laptop, you can still edit on your phone. Me, I'm using my iPhone to film and edit my videos, so I use iMovie. And then when I want to do like the more deep, like more edited style, I use a app called LumaFusion. I believe that's what it is. Anyway, it's an editing app. It costs $30. That sucked. But yeah, if you don't have a computer, which is obviously better to edit on, you can still edit a video using your phone. So editing, you can be done with your phone. All right, so step number 4, once you made your video and edited it, what's next? Well, you're gonna need to make a thumbnail. Now, once again, if you don't have a laptop or a computer, I use an app called Fonto, and it works really well. Actually, most of my thumbnails, actually, when I got the Subaru, has been made using Fonto. It's pretty good, honestly. I find it just as good as Photoshop on a computer. But if you actually have a laptop or a computer, Photoshop, hands down. Learn to use it. It's helpful. But yeah, once you get all those done, yeah. And last and not least, step number 5 is how to get your video out there. So once you've made your video, and you made your thumbnail, now what do? So you gotta make a title, you gotta make a description of what the video is. Me, I'm no expert at this. As you can tell, I'm only a small YouTuber. Actually, I don't even consider myself a YouTuber. like, I'm a small fish in this big, huge pond that's YouTube. But what I use to help me push my videos out a little bit more is I use TubeBuddy. Now, I actually paid for the subscription with TubeBuddy, and it helps quite a bit. But honestly, when it comes to getting the videos out there, title and thumbnail are key. Me, I am not the greatest at it. I can't make a thumbnail to save my life, but I'm trying. But with tags and everything, like on the video, I use TubeBuddy because it's helpful. I use my keyword search terms. For example, 2010 Impreza. It gives me a list of over 500 tags that I could use that has the word Subaru Impreza in it, and it's helpful. For the descriptions though, yeah, I don't know what to do for those. Just do your own research. Follow videos that talk about how to make a description, because if done right, the description can also be used to help push out the video even farther. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out, everybody.